How to upload a photo in Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Drive application. Log in with your account details in which you want to upload the photo. Then go to the home section and click on New. Go to Upload and you can simply choose the image you want to upload on your drive. Now, in short while the photo will be uploaded. Refresh your home section and there you will see the photo which you just uploaded on your Google Drive. Once it has been uploaded, to share it, you can simply click on the three dots and copy the link. You can also rename this picture before sharing it to someone else. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to upload photo to Google Drive. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.